Hey everyone, welcome to this installment of Fat Guy Tries. I'm the Fat Guy, and now that the fall season is in the air, now that the season has changed, it's time for another change, that being the fall Dairy Queen Blizzard menu. Now, there's not as many flavors as there were for the summer Blizzard menu, so if you were a little fatigued by all the Blizzard reviews over the summer, and I was too, to be honest with you. Not to worry, there's only like 3 or 4 different flavors on the menu right now that are new that I'm gonna try. So I figured, as long as we're starting off fall right, I think one of my favorite things about fall, maybe you guys feel the same way. I kind of associate fall with baking. I'm not a baker myself, but I do appreciate a nice baked good on a cool fall morning, and good cinnamon rolls always nice. And Dairy Queen has so thoughtfully created a Blizzard creation here for the fall menu. This is the Cinnamon Rolls Center Blizzard. I'm kind of excited about it. You don't usually see Dairy Queen experiment with cinnamon much, so I'm going to go ahead and take off the lid here. Get our first little peek at the Blizzard itself. If you can see, we got a couple of little spots I can see there. I think that's where the cinnamon roll part probably comes in. And I'm just going to lick this lid real quick so that this ice cream doesn't drip, and so I get my first taste. It tastes good. So let's get into the actual taste test now. We're going to have our first spoonful of the Dairy Queen Cinnamon Roll Center Blizzard from the new 2022 fall menu. So let's go ahead and take our first bite. Oh man. All right. One more. First thing you gotta know is almost as soon as the ice cream hits your mouth, you get that taste of cinnamon right away. I'm sure these little flecks here are, cinnamon. I want to talk about the actual cinnamon roll part of the Blizzard itself. It's the way you taste it, it actually is. When you bite into the little cinnamon roll parts themselves, it really kind of has that consistency of a cinnamon roll. Just picture like a chilled cinnamon roll for a second. Just cut up into pieces amongst the ice cream, and you get the basic picture. It's really good. Some of Dairy Queen's Blizzard creations are sort of multi-layered, where it's like, okay, we got brownie pieces, but we've also got like pieces of fudge scattered throughout, or peanut butter, or whatever. And this is just really nice and simple. I mean, it's the classic vanilla ice cream, little flecks of cinnamon, and the cinnamon roll bites themselves. It kind of captures that nice cinnamon flavor really nicely. I don't know what else to say. It's nice and simple. Love the flavor. I gotta go with a thumbs up for this one. It's not a complex creation by any means, but it's just, if you're looking for that kind of cinnamon flavor in a blizzard that, like I said, you usually don't see Dairy Queen branch out into that too much, then I think this is a winner right here. You know, I'd love to see what else they can do with it. I'm trying to think of, you know, maybe it would be a little over the top, but this feels like it would be really, really good with like some caramel. You know, so you're kind of like getting like that caramel roll and cinnamon roll taste at the same time, but I understand it, you know. Just purely trying to capture the cinnamon roll experience, you know. I think they definitely did the job right. So, that's gonna do it for me. That was a good first stab at the fall menu from Dairy Queen. I'm gonna try to space these out a little more. I'm not gonna be doing one, you know, every week or whatever it was that I was doing it before. I'm gonna try to space it out a bit, you know, so that you'll get, you know, a review in September, one in October, maybe two in October, and maybe the last one in November. I'm gonna keep my eyes open because they could always unveil a new flavor on me, you know, in the midst of October. They might do something fun with candy or something, so, but we'll see. That's gonna do it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoy fall. It's my favorite season, which is unfortunately way too short here in Minnesota. You know, we get winter way too early here, but I'm going to enjoy it while I can. I hope you do the same, and I hope you have a great day.